Hey everyone, let's dive right into this explainer. Today we're exploring a massive, and I mean absolutely massive, evolutionary shift in how businesses are actually deploying artificial intelligence. We're looking specifically at Anthropic's new feature called Claude Tag. Basically, it's a tool designed to reclaim literally thousands of hours of lost productivity. If you're an executive or a team leader and you're trying to figure out how to squeeze real, tangible workflow efficiency out of AI, instead of just, watching your employees mess around with a chatbot in a separate window, this is exactly the development you need to understand. We are officially moving from AI as a fun novelty to AI as a fully integrated operational partner. So here is our quick agenda for today. First, the third AI paradigm. Second, meet Claude Tag. Third, transforming enterprise workflows. Fourth, build for admin control. And finally, the future of teamwork. Let's get right into it. Section 1. The third AI paradigm, moving beyond the chat box. To really grasp why this shift is such a big deal, we have to look at the incredibly fast-paced history of how we interact with these models. This timeline maps out what industry expert Andrej Karpathy calls the third major redesign in how we use AI. Think back for a second. Era 1 was all about web chat apps. You open a browser, navigate to a site, type a prompt. Pretty basic. Then Era 2 brought us standalone desktop apps, making access a little quicker, sure, but still fundamentally separated from your actual day-to-day work. And now we're entering Era 3. We are completely ditching those isolated applications and moving integration directly inside the communication tools your company already uses every single day, like Slack. It's all about bringing the AI directly to exactly where the work is already happening. Karpathy frames the impact of this shift perfectly. He points out that once all the heavy lifting is done under the hood, the engineering for tool integrations, compute environments, memory, and security, the AI doesn't even really feel like software anymore. It literally just joins your team. You speak to it organically, just like you would ping a human coworker, to tackle a massive variety of workloads. Honestly, it's a complete paradigm shift for enterprise communication. Moving on to Section 2, meet Claude Tag, the invisible employee. Okay, so Claude Tag is a feature that pretty much completely removes the friction of using AI. Instead of opening a totally separate platform, logging in, and trying to craft the perfect prompt, you literally just tag @Claude right inside your shared Slack channels. Yep, the exact same channels that have multiple other human members hanging out in them. This completely eliminates that annoying swivel chair effect of constantly bouncing back and forth between your workspace and your AI tools. It keeps everyone in the flow. Plus, because everyone can see it, your whole team can interact with Claude, give it directions, and watch it execute projects using your company's actual internal tools. Just think about the friction of the old way for a second. You're jumping between tabs, constantly copying and pasting background info into a prompt window, and essentially starting from scratch every single time you open the app. Well, the Claude Tag way changes the whole shebang. Because Claude simply hangs out in your Slack channel, it actively learns and remembers. You don't have to keep feeding it context because it already watched the conversation unfold. Over time, it just naturally understands your company and your project history better. Section 3. Transforming enterprise workflows. Automated execution in action. Now, for the executives and ops managers listening, this right here is the automated execution loop that drives actual real-world efficiency. Step 1, you simply tag Claude in Slack and hand it a project. Step 2, Claude is smart enough to take that big project and autonomously break it down into multiple actionable steps. Then Step 3 is where the magic really happens. Claude uses your integrated company tools to actually do the work in the background. Which leads us to Step 4, the absolute holy grail for any enterprise workflow. Your human team members are freed up. While the AI grinds away in the background, your top talent can focus on high-level strategy and complex problem solving.
And if you want to understand the sheer scale of this workflow efficiency, just look at Anthropic itself. They claim that 65% of their own internal code is now written using this exact Claude Tag feature. Just pause and think about that. More than half of the coding output at one of the world's leading AI labs is being driven by an AI that just lives inside their Slack channels, working away in the background. That is an absolutely staggering metric for enterprise ROI and output.
All right, Section 4, built for admin control, enterprise-grade security.
Obviously, with that kind of crazy operational power, security is going to be the absolute top priority for any executive. You can't just unleash an AI into your company's proprietary data without some serious guardrails. And Anthropic built this specifically with enterprise risk management in mind. This isn't just a wild, uncontrolled rollout for anyone to use.
In fact, Claude Tag is exclusively available to teams and enterprise plans. Why? Because it requires robust security architecture. Your administrators get to determine the exact access levels, you get incredibly tight granular control over exactly which company tools the AI can touch, what channels it can see, and what data it can process. You are completely in the driver's seat when it comes to security.
And finally, Section 5, the future of teamwork, taking proactive initiative.
The difference between traditional reactive AI and this new paradigm is just profound. As we see here, traditional AI sits there waiting for a prompt. But Claude Tag, if the initiative feature is enabled, it actually watches the channel. Reactive AI only answers when directly spoken to, but Claude Tag can spot a problem your team is discussing and proactively jump in, saying, "Hey, I can actually help with that." And while reactive AI essentially gives you amnesia the second you close the browser tab, Claude Tag remembers your team's history and context. Honestly, it's the difference between a simple calculator and a proactive project manager. So the ultimate question I want to leave you with today, as we wrap up this explainer, is this. Is your infrastructure, and more importantly, is your company culture, ready to onboard this kind of invisible, highly efficient, proactive employee? The technology is no longer waiting in a separate browser tab. It's literally right there in your chat channels, ready to work. Thank you so much for joining me today. I highly encourage you to take a hard look at your current workflows and ask where an integrated AI could step in and take over the background execution. See you next time.